We rescued 135 disabled elderly citizens that were relocated from Bradenton. So let's take them to North Tampa, the university area. Let's take them up here because they'll be safe here. I started my career here 33 years ago in this neighborhood. I fell in love with this community right here. And to conduct those rescues where individuals thought that they would be safer here, and now to see the type of flooding that's barely receding. You know, we're very fortunate and blessed we didn't get the storm surge. But the 16 to 18 inches of rain that we got to already heavily saturated areas, there's nowhere for this water to go.